The U.S. Supreme Court has struck down 3 key provisions of the Arizona immigration law, upheld 1. Joining me to talk about it is someone who has been very vocal about this Supreme Court case, Representative Raúl Grijalva, Democrat from Arizona. Your reaction, sir?
Well, the 3 sections that were struck, they were unconstitutional, and glad that the court struck them down. Glad that reaffirmed that it's the federal government's role, Congress in particular, to frame immigration laws for the nation as a whole, not state by state. What it concerns many of us is the ruling on Section 2B, which is the Show Me Your Papers section, which I think is also, I believe strongly, is unconstitutional and is going to lead to a pattern of application, as we've seen in Maricopa under Sheriff Arpaio, that'll be discriminatory and filled with racial profiling. There are still cases pending and coming forth that the Supreme Court will have to hear on the issue of racial profiling and discrimination, but this section, I think it was a wrong-headed decision on the part of the court. I wish it would have struck down all of them. That would have been consistent, and it would have been a strong affirmation that Congress do its job and come up with something humane and comprehensive in terms of immigration reform for the entire country.
In just about an hour, Congressman, Mitt Romney is going to land in your state. He's got a fundraiser there later, so we'll wait to hear to see if he has any reaction to this. But what do you think the political implications are?
Well, the political implications are that, people running for Congress better talk about something other than baiting about immigrants in this country and talk about reform, because the court admonished Congress for not doing its job. And, Mitt landing in Arizona is interesting insofar as he called 1070 a model for immigration reform across this country. I wonder what he will say now when 3 parts are found unconstitutional. But 2B continues to, and we will continue to fight that both through legislation, through the political side and judicial side. That is a problematic point, and its application is also going to generate more lawsuits in the future.
Congressman Raúl Grijalva, thank you so much for rushing over to the camera. We do appreciate it and enjoy having you on the program.
Thank you for the invite. Very kind.